Kasi diba ang Misters, meron na tayong for single men. Ito naman, pwedeng sumali ang mga married men and single ages 25 to 48. So, this is an international contest. So, we will be crowning ang ating Mr. Pilipinas. Makikilala natin siya. So, ang title po na ito is nag-a-advocate ng health, men's health. And ang advocacy is to promote health for a year. So, ang ating pong magiging Misters of Pilipinas, King of the Universe, will be revealed later. Sash. So, Lloyd will take over.
Wow! Si Brent?
Ang mga susunod na magre-representa ng Pilipinas in the international stage. First of the US title is the King of the Universe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mark Rafael Obado, the representative of the Philippines for the King of the Universe. And he will be such by Mr. Carlo Boris Gala. Ayan. The president of the PEPS Foundation and the owner of Misters of Filipinas and Man of the World. And hi.
And second title po natin is based in Europe. Ito. And founded by Ali Gurgut noong 2021. This is a global competition to support modeling, fashion, and pageantry. So, another title po ng Misters of Filipinas ay ang Top Model of Universe. So, magaganap po siya sa Istanbul, Turkey this year. And makikilala ko rin po ang ating Misters of Filipinas Top Model of Universe. Nandiyan na siya?
Is the Top Model of Universe. Hindi na rin po natin ang patatagalin pa. Gusto ko na rin pong ipakilala sa inyo kung sino pong magre-represent ng Pilipinas in this competition. But first, let me call on the National Director of the Top Model Universe, Mr. June Salud. Ayan, Sashing. Ito na po, ipapakilala ko na po sa inyo. Let me call on Brent Talman. The candidate, or the official candidate of Top Model of Universe representing the Philippines. Ayan. Hindi lang siya first running up ngayon, guys. Ito sinabi sa amin ng Misters of Filipinas, yung mga runners-up namin, and assuming that you guys are runners-up, wala na kayong title. And very easy ngayon. We will represent the Philippines in the international stage for the Top Model Universe. And mind you guys, yung pinakamalayong Misters of Filipinas na mag-compete international. Saan ka mag-compete, Brent, ulit? Sa Turkey. Sa Turkey mag-compete si Brent. And Brent, I just wanna tell you kung anong mga masasabi mo sa kanila about your experiences sa Misters of Filipinas at kung ano yung feeling mo ngayon na magre-represent ka na ng Philippines in that kind of competition.
First of all, thank you so much sa Misters of Filipinas na nabigyan po ako ng chance na mag-represent sa Philippines talaga. It is a dream come true and I won't let you down. Yan lang po.